Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I'm here with the next installment of the May Mayhem 2020 Junk Journal Challenge. If you like a challenge, you might want to hang out and learn about it. This challenge ends on May 31st. We have several elements. We are making a journal. I'm almost done. Today we are going to do the fabric flip and fabric tuck with insert. We have to use a lace, a quote, and a ticket. So if you like junk journals and paper crafting, this might be the channel for you. I like to use a mix of old and new. I use digital kits that are over 100, well, the images are over 100 years old, and mixed with trash or junk or possibly some pretty scrapbook paper, and we get to make some beautiful, beautiful projects. We use the Premiere format here on the Dear Julie Julie channel, and that is because live videos, for some people, it's hard to get on the internet and stay. So we have switched to the Premiere, which is really kind of cool because it is a pre-recorded video that we all get to watch together, and we do that every day at 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. And during the week, we have the Beginner's Junk Journal series, which is at 4. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with my fabric tuck. Now, I have used this peachy pink envelopes in my journals, and I'm going to go ahead and use this to make my tuck. So, I was looking for, I don't have big pieces of scrapbook paper left that match this journal. So I thought, you know what, we can use a envelope. And I don't know about you, but I have so many envelopes, so it is going to be nice to be able to use this in this journal. So I have some fabric here, and I am going to use this fabric. We've used it a couple times. It also is a good match, and so I'm just going to get an idea here of what we've got going, and we'll go ahead and cut around it. I'm going to cut bigger around it than what we need, and because I'm going to go and stitch it also. Okay, so just to hold it while we're stitching, I'm going to go ahead and use my glue stick. Okay, so this will hopefully hold it. Okay, so this is going to be my fabric tuck, and you can just put fabric on, just on the one edge of your tuck if you want to. Look at how nice, oh my gosh, that just looks really nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this nicely. And what this does is it gives me another journaling area for this journal. Okay. So there we go. I'm going to go and stitch this, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to cut the strings off of this. And so this is what we have, and I'm very, very happy with it. So I think I will go ahead and trim this down a little bit. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. So we need to have on our pieces. They need lace, a quote, and a ticket. Okay, so here we got, we have this, a quote. Well, the lace is going to be easy. We're going to go ahead and grab a piece of lace. Okay, we have this piece that we haven't used yet, and look, it'll fit just right across there perfectly. We will use our fabric tack. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on like this and hope that that should grab the lace and hold it. Okay, so there's that. Then a ticket. Do we have any more of those cool green tickets? They were up here. Nope. Nope, nope. Okay. I'm just looking through the boxes of the stuff that we have left to see if I can find one of those green tickets that we've been using, because it would be kind of cool to have it match, right? Sometimes. Aha! Check it out. We have those, so we can use those, one on each. Sometimes we just get lucky. Sometimes. Okay, so there's our lace. So we have these that are on there. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. Okay. So this is one of the things that we had made in the beginning. So there's that. And okay, I found we do not remember days, we remember moments. So I think we'll go ahead and we'll put this we do not remember days, we remember moments, and we'll stamp it right inside here. So I have my black archival ink from Ranger, and that is my go-to ink these days. I love Stays On ink, but it dries out too fast, and I couldn't keep up with it. So there we go. So we do not remember days, we remember moments. So there is our quote, our lace, and our ticket on our fabric tuck. So let's go ahead and see if we can find a place. I like that. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like this. Yeah. Okay, so what happens here is now you get a tuck on a pocket, and you get some writing space. So I really like that. We're going to go ahead and put that right there. Go ahead and use the gobbledygook to start it off. Okay. And here we go. Put that right down like that. Okay. So we'll have a tuck and the pocket. So that's going to be kind of cool. Got the double whammy there. Okay. So now we need a fabric flip, and we might want to find our page that we're going to put that on. And I usually like my fabric flips to be on this side. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to use that as my lace because it's absolutely beautiful, and it like fell out of the the thing. Let's see. Let's use this and this. And okay, so that will be our lace. Now, to just do something a little different, and I can have it go off the top. Okay, and then we need our ticket. Okay. So, one of the things that we can do, it's a little different, is fold our fabric flip over onto the next page. It will give a little bit of interest to the next page, and we won't waste any of our I'm going to use our fancy gold paper clips. I'm going to start with the part that has the lace and continue on. So you can go ahead and, of course, attach this with your, so there we have that flip and we have that flip. Okay, and I think we'll go ahead and we're going to turn this into a tab down here at the bottom, and you'll see I'm going to use the back. Okay, I'm going to go like this, pull it up like this. That's going to give me a tab, and we'll have right sides, so the wrong sides will be together. Okay, so there is our lace, our ticket, and we just need a quote. Okay, I love this. I love it because it's just different. So for another quote, I do have the book, The Work. You guys have seen me. I've been using this. I've used this book several times, and inside there is this quote: everybody can be great because everybody can serve. I think that that is it is an amazing statement right there. And so we will just go ahead and turn this into, we'll put that there, and this will flip down. Okay, so we'll have some things going on here. It's okay. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to rip this side. Okay, let's see if that'll fit now. Okay, and I'm going to use the fabric tack just because it'll dry quickly. And that will give us our quote. And I got this out of a book, so it's kind of cool to have something different. If you are doing a beach journal, you can use the quotes and things from the pages from the At the Beach digital that we've been using in the Beginners Junk Journal series. Okay, so we're going to put this in here. This can go down and cover it. Flip up. You've got this flip down, and it's a secret pocket too. There's just a lot going on right there. And we have taken care of our fabric flip with lace, a ticket, and a quote. So that takes care of those elements for this journal. You know what? While we're at it, let's go ahead and add her. She'll go on that pocket real quick. So if you are here and you're in the premiere, I'm waving. Hello. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you come in and say hi. We'd love to welcome you to the community. It's a lot of fun, and we'd love the chance to say hi. So please say hi. And okay. Let's see. So this is going to give us a little envelope. This is from the 1919 French Fashionista digital kit in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. And all of the digitals are still on sale while we are home. And let's see, let's go ahead and close this up. Go boom. And ta-da. Okay, so that gives us that cute little envelope, and we'll go back to that page and come to the secret pocket and just put it right there. Okay, put it right there. So this has been so much fun. This challenge has, I think it's been one of my favorite ones that we've done. I still have a couple more elements to do. And as you can see, our journal is getting very chunky, but it is fitting. It does fit. So that is a very, very, very good thing. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them in the description box, or put them in the comments box down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to know when the videos when they come up, and have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.